In today's video, I'll show you how to reconcile your bank account in Zoho Books. This process keeps your financial records accurate and ensures your books match your real bank balance. Start by heading to the Banking tab on the left sidebar. Select the specific bank account you want to reconcile. Once inside, click the gear icon on the top right corner and choose Reconcile Account. Next, click Initiate Reconciliation. Here, enter your start date, end date and closing balance exactly as they appear on your bank statement. Once done, click Start Reconciliation to begin. Zoho Books will automatically show you all your transactions. Some will be auto-matched, while others might need manual checking. Carefully compare each transaction with your bank statement. If something is missing, click Add Transaction to include it right away. Your goal is to make sure the cleared amount matches your closing balance. The difference should be 0. If adjustments are needed, use the edit icon next to the closing balance. Once everything matches perfectly, click Reconcile to complete the process. If you are not done yet, you can also save and reconcile later. And that's it. Your account status will change to reconciled, confirming your books are accurate and up to date. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and check out more tutorials to make managing your Zoho Books even easier.